Right, grade threes. Today we're going to be looking at time. And when we look at time, we always look at a clock face. Remember, this is the face of the clock. Now, what I'm going to do is just show you different times in a day, and we can think about things that we do at that time. Now, this is 6 o'clock. Let's say this is 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, what do you think happens at 6 o'clock in the morning in your homes? Yes? I think I can hear you saying we're waking up at 6 o'clock. Right, and then the time goes tuk, 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 and then maybe you have breakfast at 6:30 in the morning. Maybe you have breakfast at 6:30 in the morning and you eat until about 6:45. Right, and then you clean your teeth and you get your bag and you come to school and you arrive at school at about 7:15, 7:15. And then the bell rings and we go into class and we start learning, and the morning goes by and you do maths and then you do some more maths, and then at 9:45 it's right about this time that you have recess, and then you go out and you play until then, and then it's back to schoolwork again and you carry on, and then it's right about 12:30, I'd say, that you stop and you have a recess, second recess, and that sometimes goes on for about 25 minutes, and then the end of the day you go back into class and there's work to be done, and then at the end of the day, what's the time now? I think it's at 2:20, your drivers or the nannies or your parents come and fetch you, and that's the time you go home. And then as teachers, we go home at 3 o'clock. Can you see that? At 3 o'clock we go home. And then you're probably at home and you play and you're having fun, and then let's hope at 4 o'clock you're busy doing your homework in the afternoon and not at night. And then you play outside, and then as the time goes by it becomes dark, and let's say you sit down and you have supper again at 6 o'clock. Now this is 6 o'clock in the evening. And because you're in grade 3, we hope that after you have supper, you play a bit, maybe you watch some TV, but then we really do hope that you go to bed by 8 o'clock. And that's kind of a day in a school child's life. Okay, so we showed all the different times that the clock goes around to, and it gives us guidance as what time we wake up and what time recess is and what time we go to bed. Thank you, my loves.